I'm Sneha Mojumdar. Roll number 20CH10064. Today I'm going to disassemble and assemble a dryer, and it's working. You can see it's a Philips 1000-watt dryer, and now I'm going to open the screws. After opening the screws, you can see the inner structure of that dryer. Here is the aluminium mesh, and there is another mesh from getting dust particle, and there is a switch which has 3 modes: high, on and off, and you can see that it's changing. Likewise, it's connected to several circuit elements. There is a jumper which shifts, and it is connected to both switch and the element. That's how it changes modes. And you can see the circuit of those wires here. After changing the modes, the circuit assembles in a own way. This is connected with the switch, which helps controlling it from the outwards. This is the main element. There you can see some coils like heaters. They actually heat up, and it is coming out by use of the fan. The fan rotates and the heat comes out of the mesh. And this is actually a DC motor, but for converting it there is some rectifiers and a diode in it. Actually 4 diodes. This is actually bridge rectifier in this hair dryer. And after this circuit gets connected, this hair dryer starts working, and this circuit is connected to the element by a wire, which is connected when the switch is put on or high position. This switch is connected to that circuit, and this total dryer is connected by a very different kind of screw, which is a triangular screw, for which we all need a triangular screwdriver. This is a TA screwdriver. And after seeing that, we can see that the whole thing is made up of ceramic, and we just put it in there, and it's made of very good plastic. You just put it in there and it just joins. And this now we are going to assemble it. This structure here, it's actually made up of ceramic, which is a very good for the given circumstances of a hair dryer. This is does not melt at high temperatures, high boiling point and high resistant. Now we're going to assemble it. After assembling, we are going to rejoin the screws, and after rejoining the screws in both of the holes, we can again see that the dryer is working. After rejoining the screw, we will start off the dryer again.